starting the project evaluation and project planning. These are the simple things we need to understand under the software project management. It starts with importance of software project management activities, methodologies, categorization, management principles, management control, project portfolio management, cost benefit evaluation technology, risk evaluation, strategic program management, and project planning in a stepwise manner. What is a project? Any work with a fixed or started end date or time and built in unique in nature is termed as a project. How can we manage a project? Project management is a methodology which we need to focus on start of the project till the end of the project by performing various steps. Software project management refers to branch of project management dedicated by planning, scheduling, analyzing the required resources, execution and tracking on delivery of software project in stipulated time. Software project management is a proper way of planning and leading software project. It is a part of project management in which software projects are planned, implemented and tracked for its execution and delivery. It is necessary for organization to deliver quality product to the client within the client's budget and time constraint. Deliver the project as per the scheduled resources and requirements is also a mandatory one. Coming to the needs of SPM, what is the quality of the project, scope of the project, time of the project and cost of the project? These are the major four things involved in software project management. They focus on the client requirements and time, cost, budget and scope of the project like given in the diagram. Software project management is generally based upon the four things which are given here. Several factors such as internal and external which may impact the triple constraint triangle. Any of three factors can severely impact the other two. Software project management is essential to incorporate user requirement along with budget and time constraints as discussed earlier. What is the importance of software project management? It helps the user or the person to manipulate the time involved in the project, implementation of software development, monitoring and controlling the aspects of software project management. It overall manages the person to save time and cost for the software development. The activities involved in the software management comprises of planning of project, deciding the scope of project, estimation of cost, scheduling the tasks and events and resource management. These are the main activities involved in the software management. Project management activities includes the following things such as planning, scope management and the project estimation. These things are mainly required for constructing the project. Project planning is a task which is performed before the production of software actually starts. Project plan refers to the things that a user do to perform the project in a perfect way. The plans created here are time, cost, quality, risk analysis and related issues. The scope management field defines the scope of the project, activities which need to be processed in the project. It is essential because it creates the boundaries of project, identifies the user to find on which areas he need to focus to build the project. It also contains limited and quantifiable tasks which can be easily documented and which in turn avoids the cost and time overrun. The project estimation. For effective management, accurate estimation of various measures is must. Project estimation may involve the following things such as software size estimation, effort estimation, time estimation and cost estimation.